Good day, my dears. Our school, Lakewood School, as you know, always focus on nurturing latent talents in different areas in all the students. This is done by promoting the inborn talents in you through co-curricular activities. It remains dormant unless we wake them up. Even during lockdown last academic year, we celebrated Independence Day, Onam, Christmas, jointly by the students and teachers. Youth Festival was also conducted for all the students, even while remaining in your own locations. This year, to begin with today, being observed as International Yoga Day and World Music Day. Health is wealth, no doubt. The pandemic has added emphasis to it. So keeping fit must be our first motive in this situation. Music, like life, defies a definition. We can enjoy it, but not define. It is the language of the soul. It has the magic to lure stiff stanzas to charming ones. There lies its beauty. When these blend together, it turns to be a magic. Be involved in this magic and lead a healthy and happy life. Be safe at home for a few more days, waiting to see you in your charm in the school campus. Thank you.
Let us pay tribute to the towering legendary masters of yesteryears and the living legends whose memories has been a source of inspiration to generations. The musical trinity of Carnatic music, the legendary composers of the Indian classical music, Tyagaraja Swamigal, Muthuswami Dikshidhar, and Shama Shastri. They were highly influential in the development of the Indian classical music traditions. Swathi Tirunal, the iconic figure in Kerala's musical traditions, the musical genius from the Travancore royal family. He composed songs spread in Kirtanam, Padam, Varnam and Tilana. Iraiman Thambi, Carnatic musician and composer, a prominent member in the court of Swathi Tirunal. He composed one of the most popular lullabies in Malayalam. Chempai Vaidyanatha Bhagavathar, popularly known as Chempai, noted for his powerful voice and majestic style of singing, known for his adorable quality of nurturing upcoming musicians. Disciples include Yesudas, Jaya Vijayans, P. Leela and many other veterans. M.S. Subbulakshmi, the embodiment of music, most charismatic singer of our times, paying tribute to her after a recital at Vijnan Bhavan, Delhi, the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru remarked, "I am a mere Prime Minister, but you are a queen, the queen of music." As a befitting adoration to this great genius, the nation's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, was conferred on her in 1996. Palakkad Mani Iyer, arguably the greatest mridangist in the field of Carnatic music, the first exponent of this percussion. Pandit Ravi Shankar, sitar maestro and composer. He is regarded as the world's best-known exponent of North Indian classical music. Ustad Bismillah Khan, Shehnai maestro, enchanted millions of hearts the world over. He gave Shehnai its due status among other classical music instruments. Mohammad Rafi, the undisputed king of Indian film music, the rich melodious voice passed on to generations. Lakshmi Kant, along with Pyarelal, formed the most successful music director duo of Hindi cinema. R.D. Burman, a great music director, he has become eternal through his musical compositions. Manna Dey, a flawless singer with a deep voice and a semi-classical touch. Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan was a renowned classical music violinist and a music composer. Bala Bhaskar, violinist and composer, best known for promoting fusion music. Dakshinamurthy, revered as one of the forefathers of Malayalam music industry, mentored many of the popular contemporary composers and singers. S.P. Balasubramaniam, endearingly called SPB, worked predominantly in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi and Malayalam. He's a playback singer, TV presenter and music director. Devarajan, respectfully called Devarajan Master, legendary Carnatic music composer and vocalist. Many of his compositions remaining evergreen classics in Malayalam. M.S. Baburaj, he is credited for the renaissance of the Malayalam film music. M.K. Arjunan, known for his work in Malayalam theatre and cinema, fondly referred to as Arjunan Master. Ravindran, fondly called Ravindran Master, composed songs for Malayalam and Tamil film industry. Johnson, regarded as one of the finest composers in Malayalam films, noted for his lyrical expressive melodies. A selected few living legends. Lata Mangeshkar, popularly known as the Queen of Melody, the voice of the nation, the voice of the millennium. She has sung in 36 different languages, Indian and foreign. Yesudas, adoringly called Ganagandhavan, the celestial singer. He is the most celebrated playback singer of all times in Malayalam. Recorded more than 50,000 songs in a number of Indian languages and foreign languages including English, Arabic, Latin and Russian. S. Janaki, respectfully called Janaki Amma, one of the greatest and the best known playback singers in India. Usha Udup, a legend bringing together the East and the West with her music and charm. Sings in more than 13 Indian languages and 8 foreign languages. A.R. Rahman, the most sought after music director in India, winner of Oscar Award for Best Music, National Award 6 times, of which 4 were in consecutive years. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan is India's one of the most revered exhibitor of classical music. His name has become synonymous with sarod, the instrument he played and mastered. Ustad Zakir Hussain, internationally acclaimed traditional tabla artist and composer in Hindustani classical music. Hussain's international stardom is for his unrivaled genius as a percussionist. P. Jayachandran, best known for his captivating voice, which gave him the title Bhavagayagan by the music fraternity of South India. P. Sushila, she is recognized by Guinness Book of World Records for performing a record number of songs in different Indian languages. Ilayaraja, composer, singer, lyricist, predominantly in Tamil film industry. K.S. Chitra, fondly called the Melody Queen, well known for her sweet and melodious voice.
Good day, dear ones. I'm Dr. Asha, working as a yoga teacher in Lakeford School. Today, 21st June, we celebrating as International Yoga Day. In 2015, after the proposal of Prime Minister Modi ji, UN declared 21st June as International Yoga Day.
Patanjali, the father of modern yoga. Lord Shiva, the Adiyogi, transmitted yoga to the Saptarishis thousands years ago. Patanjali lived between 2nd century BC and 4th century AD. Yoga was already there in various forms, which he assimilated into a system.
What is yoga? What are you getting when you're doing yoga? Yoga is the way of life. So you energize your body, you energize your mind, all together you enhance your immunity. So vaccine is not only the way that you can increase your immunity. You can increase your immunity through yoga and food.
Sukshma Vyayama is basically subtle yogic warm-ups being fully utilized by the body to the nutritional value of food being properly extracted. Surya Namaskara or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. It gives strength and vitality to the body. It also aids in muscle growth and making the body more flexible. Yogasanas stretch and relax nerves, muscles and joints. It creates a pleasant feeling of relaxation, increases flexibility and promotes the free flow of energy through the body. Daily pranayamas slows the aging process. It makes your skin glow and releases toxins. It provides stillness of mind and lightness in your body. Nostalgia fills our hearts and minds when we listen to the song Indra Neelimayolam, sung by the gifted singer K.S. Chitra in the movie Vaishali. Bombay Ravi composed music for it and Sri O.N.V. Kurup wrote the lyrics. Lend your ears to enjoy this beautiful song sung today by Arunita.
സഗമദ മഗ സഗമദനിദ മഗ മദനി സനിദ മദസാ വർഷമയൂരമെങ്ങോ പീനെ നിവർത്തിടുമ്പോൾ ഹർഷാശ്രുപൂക്കൾ നിന്നു തിന്നതിൻ്റെ മൃദുരവമുതിരും മധുകണമണയിതളുകളലഞ്ഞു വീർപ്പു തിന്നതെന്തേ ഉന്മത്ത കോകിലത്തിൻ ആലാപശ്രുതി കേൾക്കെ പെൺകുയിൽ ചിറകടിച്ചുണർന്നതെന്തേ അതിൻ പൊരുൾ നിനക്കേതുമറിയില്ലല്ലോ അതിൻ പൊരുൾ നിനക്കേതുമറിയില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്ദ്രനീലിമയോലും.
Johnson Master, composer, music director, instrumentalist, singer, was truly versatile in Malayalam cinema. He was noted for his lyrical and expressive melodies together with simple but rich tonal composition of thematic music. Rewind yourself and listen to the soulful song Moham Kondunyan, composed by the legend Johnson Master, today sung by Nena Jose.
കണ്ണിൽ കത്തും ദാഹം ഭാവജാലം പേലിനേത്തെ വർണ്ണങ്ങളാൽ മേലെ കതിർമാല കൈകൾ നീട്ടി കണ്ണിൽ കത്തും ദാഹം ഭാവജാലം പേലിനേത്തെ വർണ്ണങ്ങളാൽ മേലെ കതിർമാല കൈകൾ നീട്ടി സ്വർണ്ണത്തേരെ ഞാൻ തങ്കത്തിങ്കൾ പോലെ ദൂരെ ആകാശം നക്ഷത്രപ്പൂക്കൾ തേരോട്ടം മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ദൂരേതോ ഇളം കൂത്തനാൾ മധു തേടിപ്പോയി.
Sri Swathi Tirunal Ramavarma was the Maharaja of the Kingdom of Travancore. He is also considered as the brilliant music composer and is credited with over 400 classical compositions in both Carnatic and Hindustani style. We now present before you a beautiful padam of Sri Swathi Tirunal by Hida.
ആലശാല
Beethoven, Ludwig van Beethoven, remains one of the most admired composers in the history of Western music. Ignoring his symphonies, this musical journey would never be complete. Next is a brilliant work by Beethoven, Für Elisa, presented by Mahadev. Teachers of Lakewood School pay their humble tribute to Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam, a legendary playback singer, music director who lost his life due to COVID-19 last year. We celebrate this musical journey by rendition of his famous songs.
காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே கண்ணுக்குள் நீதான் கண்ணீரில் நீதான் கண்மூடி பார்த்தால் நெஞ்சுக்குள் நீதான் என்னானதோ ஏதானதோ சொல் சொல் தீண்டும் வரை இருவரும் தனித்தனி காதலின் பொன் சங்கிலில் இணைந்தது கண்மணி கடலிலே மழை வீழ்ந்த பின் என்னை துளி மழை துளி காதலில் அது போல நான் கலைந்திட்டேன் காதலி திருமகள் திருப்பாதம் பிடித்து விட்டேன் தினம் ஒரு புது பாடல் படித்து விட்டேன் அஞ்சலி அஞ்சலி என்னுயிர் காதலி பாதி ஜீவன் கொண்டு தேகம் வாழ்ந்து வந்ததோ மீதி ஜீவன் என்னை பார்த்த போது வந்ததோ சுகம் உள்ளூரதே ஏனோ மனம் தள்ளாடுதே ஏதோ சுகம் உள்ளூரதே ஏனோ மனம் தள்ளாடுதே விரல்கள் தொடவா விருந்தே பிறவா மார்போடு கண்கள் மூடவா மலரே மௌனமா மௌனமே வேதமா மலர்கள் பேசுமா பேசினால் ஓயுமா அன்பே மலரே.
Paravur G. Devarajan Master was an accomplished music composer and Carnatic vocalist. He has etched an indelible mark as a great music director in the history of Indian music arena. Today, Arunima takes you to the world of music through the rendition of the song Poondenaruvi, originally sung by Sushilama.
പൂന്തേനരുവി പൊന്മുടി പുഴയുടെ അനുജത്തി നമുക്കൊരേ പ്രായം നമുക്കൊരേ മോഹം നമുക്കൊരേ ദാഹം പൂന്തേനരുവി
A scintillating dance in the backdrop of a mellifluous and melodious music is really enchanting. Watch a marvelous choreography by Miss Suma. Lakshmikant Pyarelal were gifted music composers who worked together for about 750 Hindi movies. It is said that Lata Mangeshkar has sung around 712 songs composed by the duo. The song Satyam Shivam Sundaram still remains a chartbuster. Let us now hear that song by Neha Jose.
रामावध में रामावध में काशी है शिव कान्हा वृंदावन में दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको हर घर के आंगन में राधा मोहन शरणम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरीश्वर सत्य है सत्य ही शिव है शिव ही सुंदर है सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम.
Sri Dakshinamurti, endearingly called as Swami, is indeed a maestro of our times. The song Uttara Swayamvaram, composed by him, is an evergreen composition. Adit Ganesh is here with a beautiful melody.
ഉത്തര സ്വയംവരം കഥകളി കാണുവാൻ ഉത്രാടരാത്രിയിൽ പോയിരുന്നു കാഞ്ചന കസവുള്ള പൂഞ്ചേലയുടുത്തവ നെഞ്ചയും അമ്പുമായി വന്നിരുന്നു ഉത്തര സ്വയംവരം കഥകളി കാണുവാൻ ഉത്രാടരാത്രിയിൽ പോയിരുന്നു ഞാൻ പോയിരുന്നു.
Salil Chowdhury, affectionately called as Salilda by his admirers, has composed wonderful songs in Malayalam that transcended boundaries and states. His music was a blend of Eastern and Western music traditions. Kadil Ten Marayai will indeed give you the feel as you listen to the song by Gauri GS.
കാതിൽ തേൻമഴയായി പാടൂ കാറ്റേ കടലേ കാതിൽ തേൻമഴയായി പാടൂ കാറ്റേ കടലേ കടൽ കാറ്റിൻ മുത്തങ്ങളിൽ കരൾ കുളിർത്താരോ മധുരമായി പാടും മണി ശംഖുകളായി കാതിൽ തേൻമഴയായി പാടൂ കാറ്റേ കടലേ കാതിൽ തേൻമഴയായി പാടൂ കാറ്റേ കടലേ.
Balabhaskar Chandran was a violinist, composer, and record producer. He is best known for promoting fusion music in South India. Hailing from a musically affluent family, he was introduced to the world of instrumental music at the age of 3. He made his debut as a music director by composing the soundtrack for the Malayalam film Mangalya Pallakku. And he was the youngest music composer to have worked in the industry at the age of 17. Within a short span of life on earth, he stole the thunder with his magical performance. Now, let's watch one of his beautiful performances. World Music Day is observed everywhere to encourage budding amateur singers. Music, as it is said, travels throughout the world, breaking barriers and boundaries, enchanting and mesmerizing everyone, even at testing time. It is timeless and eternal. Here goes an enchanting performance by Miss Lakshmi Ashok to the song Chandana Manivadil. Johann Sebastian Bach was a German composer and musician. He is known for the instrumental compositions and has generally regarded as one of the greatest composers in the history of Western music. One of his famous compositions, Minute in G, is recreated here by the instrumental music teachers. Tarana, a vocal form in Hindustani music, said to have been developed by Amir Khusran, probably best represents the vocalist's urge to move away from song text and into the realm of instrumental music. Here, we present a beautiful choreography by Miss Devi Priya.
महागणपतिं